Good day friends, this channel for mechanical engineering. This channel is your pocket dictionary of mechanical. This channel contains our basic entry question and answer, mechanical design, software of Creo, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, etc. and production and quality departments related. So please subscribe KPS Make English channel. If you like videos, please share your friends. Hello friends, are you studying mechanical engineering? Or you go to any interview? So, very useful, commonly asked in an interview for mechanical engineering. Just 200 questions and answers. We give the 10 parts of videos. Every part 20 questions and answers given. You prepare the basic knowledge for mechanical engineering interviews. Friends, now watching mechanical basic interview question and answers. First part. At the first question, what is the difference between scavenging and supercharging? Answer: scavenging is process of flushing out burnt gases from engine cylinder by introducing fresh air in the cylinder before exhaust stroke ends. Supercharging is the process of supplying higher mass of air by compressing the atmospheric air. Second question, what are the names of given to constant temperature, constant pressure, constant volume, constant internal energy, constant enthalpy and constant entropy process? Answer: constant temperature is isothermal, constant pressure is isocratic, constant volume is isobaric, constant internal energy is free expression, constant enthalpy is throttling, and constant entropy is adaptive process. Third question, in a Rankine cycle, if maximum steam pressure is increased, keeping steam's temperature and condenser pressure same, what will happen to dryness fraction of steam after expansion? This question answer: it will decrease. Fourth question, why entropy change for a reversible adaptive process is 0? Answer: because there is no heat transfer in the process. Fifth question, what are two essential conditions of perfect gas? Answer: its satisfies equation of state and its specific heats are constant. Sixth question, enthalpy and entropy are functions of one single parameter, which is that? That is answer: that is temperature. Seventh question, why rate of condensation is higher on a polished surface compared to rusty surface? Answer: polished surface promotes dropwise condensation and does not wet the surface. Eighth question, how much resistance is offered to heat flow by dropwise condensation? Answer nil. Ninth question. What is the relationship between COP of heating and cooling? Answer. COP of heating is one more than COP of cooling. 10th question. How much is the work done in isochoric process? Answer 0. 11th question. When maximum discharge is obtained in nozzle? Answer at the critical pressure ratio. 12th question. Under what condition the work done in reciprocating compressor will be least? Answer. It is least when compression process approaches isothermal. For this purpose, attempts are made to cool the air during compression. 13th question. What is the difference between stalling and surging in rotary compressions? Answer. Stalling is a local phenomenon and it occurs when curve breaks away from the blades. Surging causes complete breakdown of flow and as such as affects the whole machine. 14 questions. Wind the electric motor of fan with backward curved blades is never got overloaded under any condition. Answer. The maximum power is consumed at about 70% of maximum flow in case of fan with backward blades. For higher flow, power consumption gets lower. 15th question. While the work per kg of air flow in axial flow compressor is less compared to centrifugal compressor for same pressure ratio? Answer. Isentropic efficiency of axial flow compressor is higher. 16th question. What is the name given to portion of thermal energy to be necessarily rejected to environment? Answer. Energy. 17th question. What is pitting curved cost? Answer. Non-uniform corrosion over the entire metal surface, but occurring only in small pits is called pitting. It is caused by lack of uniformity in metal. The question of 18th. What is the caustic embrittlement? Answer. It is the actual cycle change in metal that makes it extremely brittle and filled with minute cracks. It occurs particularly in the seams of riveted joints and around the rivet holes. 9th question. Which input is for hard scale and which input is for soft scale? Answer. Sulfates and chlorides of lime and magnesium form hard scale, and carbonates of lime and magnesium form soft scale. This part of final question 20. What is the difference between hard water and soft water? Answer. Hard water contains excess of scale forming impurities and salt water contains very little or no scale form substance. Friends, next video 20 questions, very important in interview. Thank you.